Hello everyone. Coming to the next topic of the inverse trigonometry functions. In this we are going to discuss properties of inverse trigonometry functions. First type of the properties. Sin inverse of 1 by x is equals to cosec inverse of x mod x is equals to mod x greater than or equals to 1. And for the second cos inverse of 1 by x is equals to secant inverse of x and mod x greater than or equals to 1. And third one, tan inverse of 1 by x is equals to cot inverse of x greater than 0. So these are the three types we are having. Proving any one of it and we'll give the same kind of the proof for the remaining two, and I will see how to make up. First of all, consider, let y, I'm taking the first one. Let y is equals to sin inverse of 1 by x. Then send this sin inverse to right hand side. It will become sin y. Sin y is equals to the remaining part is 1 by x. 1 by x can be taken here. Next, taking the reciprocals, 1 by sin y is equals to x and 1 by sin y is equals to cosec y is equals to x. Now this time send this cosec to right hand side. Then y is equals to cosec inverse of x. Then sin inverse of 1 by x is equals to y is equals to cosec inverse of x, and the given domain is mod x greater than or equals to 1. Same way, just try to understand. Cos inverse of 1 by x is equals to secant inverse of x. Tan inverse of 1 by x is equals to cot inverse of x. And it is easy to remember, sine and cosec are the reciprocals, cos and secant are reciprocals, tan and cot are reciprocals. So but reciprocal is coming in inside of the angle here. So try to understand. Coming to the next properties, minus x. So taking the minus x in sine inverse, tan inverse, cosec inverse, cos inverse, secant inverse and cot inverse. We'll see. So it is divided into two types. First of all, sine inverse, tan inverse and cosec inverse of minus x will become minus, will come for all sine inverse x, tan inverse x, cosec inverse x and respective domains. Coming to the next, cos, secant and cot time, when minus x is taken, the time it will give you pi minus. So pi minus cos inverse, pi minus secant inverse, pi minus cot inverse of x. So and in the respective domains it is. Now proving of any one of it will give the same idea. And take the first one. Let y is equals to sine inverse of minus x. Now send this sine inverse to left hand side. Sending the sine inverse to left hand side, then it will become sin y is equals to minus x. Send this minus to left hand side, minus sin y is equals to x, and minus sin y can be written as sin of minus y is equals to x. Now send this sign to right hand side, minus y is equals to sin of minus y is equals to x, then minus y is equals to sin inverse of x, and send this minus to right hand side, then y is equals to minus sin inverse of x, and given domain is mod x less than or equals to 1. Okay, so similarly try to understand. Tan inverse of minus x is equals to minus tan inverse of x, cosec inverse of minus x is equals to minus cosec inverse of x. Coming to the next types, cos inverse of minus x is equals to pi minus cos inverse of x. So here also consider the same. So I'm taking the first one here. First one, let y is equals to cos inverse of minus x. Now send this cos inverse to left hand side, then it will become cos y is equals to minus x, and this implies send this minus to left hand side, minus cos y is equals to x. Now, generally cos minus cos y, this minus cannot be sent inside of the angle, so that time, so understand the point, cos pi minus y is equals to minus cos y. So rewriting the same statement here, minus cos y can be written as cos of pi minus y. So cos of pi minus y is equals to x. Now send this cos to right hand side, pi minus y is equals to cos inverse of x. This implies, now this time send this y to right hand side, cos inverse to left hand side, pi minus cos inverse of x is equals to y. So this implies y is equals to pi minus cos inverse of x. What is actually your y? y is nothing but cos inverse of minus x. So this implies cos inverse of minus x is equals to pi minus cos inverse of x in the respect to domain mod x less than or equals to 1. Okay, remember the next two properties. Secant inverse of minus x is equals to pi minus secant inverse of x. Cot inverse of minus x is equals to pi minus cot inverse of x. So I'm rewriting all of them here. Yeah, sin inverse of tan inverse of cosec inverse of minus x is equals to, take minus out, then sin inverse of x, tan inverse of x, and cosec inverse of x. So it will come for the first types. And what is the second type? Second type, what are the major things you need to understand? Cos inverse, secant inverse, both are reciprocals. And one more thing is coming, instead of tan, here it is cot inverse. Cot inverse of minus x is equals to, this time pi will be common, minus cos inverse, secant inverse, and cot inverse of x. Try to understand these two different types of properties. Coming to the next type of the properties, here the property is sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2, sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is equals to pi by 2, mod x less than or equals to 1, mod x greater than or equals to 1, tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equals to pi by 2, where x is belongs to R. So as we have already known, sin and cos are the complementary angles, and secant and cosec, tan and cot are the complementary angles. That's why you're getting the pi by 2 in all the cases. And taking of any one of them, proving any one of them will be same as proving the other two. Now I'm considering third, tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x. So consider only LHS side of it. So LHS side of the third one, tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equals to, and Before taking up these two, I am taking tan inverse of x is equals to some theta. Then what will happen? This x will go, tan inverse will go to right hand side. Then x is equals to tan theta. X is equals to tan theta. Write this tan theta in terms of cot. So it can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equals to cot pi by 2 minus theta. This is the value of x. Now this time send this cot to left hand side. Then it will become cot inverse of x is equals to pi by 2 minus theta. Now in the LHS, given LHS, tan inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to, consider this is equals to first, and these are the second equations. Then LHS is nothing but adding of the equations. 1 plus 2 will give you theta plus pi by 2 minus theta. So plus theta and minus theta will be cancelled. It will give you pi by 2, that is the value of RHS side. So this is the value of tan inverse of sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. The same way the remaining two can be done. Secant inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. Tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. Coming to the next three properties. Question tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equals to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, where 1 minus xy is less than 1. So consider this denominator part you make it as greater than 0. Then you will get the condition xy less than 1. Same, tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equals to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. This xy will be greater than minus 1. Same, 1 plus xy greater than 0. And last, 2 tan inverse of x is equals to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square mod x less than 1. So it is simple. First and third are going to be almost equal. Substituting y as x, then tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equals to, replacing y with x in the first property, it will give the third one. Now we'll prove any one of it. Take the first one, tan inverse of x. So let tan inverse of x is equals to some theta. So this implies sending this tan inverse to right hand side, then x is equals to tan theta, and same way tan inverse of y is equals to some pi, then y is equals to some tan pi. Then you consider this x plus y here. Now consider theta plus pi here. Considering only theta plus pi, then applying tan to here, tan theta plus pi is equals to tan theta plus tan pi by 1 minus tan theta into tan pi. Then as we are already seen, tan theta is equals to x, then replace this tan theta with x. Tan pi is equals to y, replace this tan pi with y. Then what you will get? First term is x plus y by 1 minus xy. Left hand side it is tan theta plus pi. Now send this tan inverse tan to right hand side, then it will become theta plus pi is equals to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, and that to be the condition xy less than 1. So similarly wherever, so LHS side is nothing but tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, and with the condition xy less than 1, and replacing plus with the minus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse of x plus y, x minus y by x plus y. So I'm writing both the formulas in single. And the last one, 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, where mod x less than